In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Lexus GS300. The first thing you want to do is put your car up on some ramps. You could pick up your filter at AutoZone. It comes with two O-rings, the cartridge filter, and a little plastic piece that releases the oil, and it could be connected to a hose, like this one right here. For this job, you're going to need an oil pan, your oil, and your oil filter. Unscrew your oil cap. You're going to require a 14mm socket. Okay, and now it's time to drain the oil pan. It's going to take a few minutes for your oil to drain out of the oil pan. So in the meantime, why don't you enjoy yourself a cup of coffee? Now put the drain plug back into the oil pan. Okay, now it's time to drain the filter cartridge. Unbolt the filter drain plug. And you're going to need your hose with that plastic piece. While you're waiting for your oil to drain again, why don't you finish your cup of coffee? Okay, you're going to need an oil filter wrench right now to loosen the canister. Okay, now it's time to remove the little O-ring from the canister. And we're going to have to clean that groove with a paper towel or a Q-tip. After that, you're going to grab the new O-ring and you have to lubricate it with fresh oil. Now we have to do the same thing with the larger O-ring. First we have to remove it, clean the groove, apply some oil, fresh oil to the new O-ring, and put it back. Now it's time to drop the filter cartridge in and screw the canister back into the car. Okay, now screw in the drain plug. Since we're all plugged up, it's time to pour the oil in. My Lexus took 6 quarts of oil. Make sure you verify your oil capacity by looking at your dipstick. Put your oil cap back on. Turn your car on for a couple minutes. Take your dipstick out, clean it off, put it back in, and look at the oil capacity. The reading should measure between the two dimples. Now it's time to reset the oil maintenance required light. To do this, open the compartment on the left hand side and press the auto trip button until your screen shows your total miles. Turn off your car and remember to keep your foot off the brake for the next step. Press and hold the trip reset button. Now press the start engine button twice. Wait for the oil mileage reset message to disappear. Now you can let go of the reset button. You could also turn on your car to ensure that the maintenance required light has been reset. And there you go.